Good morning. My name is Pedro Figueiredo. I am the sales director of Beyond Vision. Beyond Vision is more than a normal company. We create from A to Z our drones. The drones are in dual use. We operate in the civil area, also in the military area. We have fixed wings, rotary wings, from quadcopters, hexacopters and octocopters. We are agnostic. We can work with any payloads you want, basically, but the integration with YellowScan Navigator is a good combo. The drone we are showing here is the BVQ 418. Is a quadcopter with a capability of 90 minutes and 7 kilograms of payload, and is a very good combination with a YellowScan LiDAR, the Navigator, because basically the time of the working of the Navigator is 45 minutes with the battery, and the drone can fly at the same time with the system. The LiDAR is a bathymetric LiDAR with the capability to work in water and also in land. The drone also the capability to carry around 7 kilograms. The both integration from the YellowScan and also to the platform, a good combination of around 40 to 50 minutes, depends the weather, depends of the conditions. With this kind of drone, we can resist at winds of 70 kilometers per hour, and we can operate in very rough environments. That is one of the keys to the success of the both. The LiDAR is a wonderful piece of equipment, and to transport this kind of equipment, you need a very good drone, and that is what we can deliver. A very good drone, very good reliable system with a very combination of time, capability, robustness, and also the capability to resist a very bad weather.